And you know, every time I have my shows in the States, there's one song that comes to my mind that they sing a lot. And every time I see him, he's always so at peace with himself. So I believe that he must see heaven more than some of us see heaven. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome the Governor of all governors, the chairman of the governors of the Nigerian Governors Forum, His Excellency Governor of Kwara State, Governor Abdulrahman. A round of applause for him. See, the first time I saw him, he was trying to board a plane. He carried his bag himself. I didn't go there because I know that he won't give me anything.
I once offered a former governor my seat on the plane because he was sitting at the economy and I was at the business class. I offered him my seat and then we entered into this strong turbulence in the air. The governor didn't know when he shouted my name.
I've been commanded, not directed, commanded by the powerful chairman of the Governors Forum. He is my big brother, so I'm powerful too. He said I should invite all serving governors on stage with him now. All present governors on stage with him now, excluding the president and the vice president. His power no reach that place. And the Senate president too is exempted. Party chairman is exempted. So by the powers conferred on me because I hold the microphone, come out, all of you. Former governors, please join us. Governor James Ibori,
former governor of Delta State,
former governor of Edo State, former governor of Kano State,
former governor of Lagos State.
What of those of us aspiring to be governor? Can we join you?
And I have the deputy governor of my state, Honorable Lucky Orimisa Ayedatiwa. I have to recognize him specially.
Mr. White.
The President, Commander-in-Chief, the Nigerian Armed Forces, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, and his amiable wife, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu, OON-CON, the Vice President of the Republic of Nigeria, Senator Kashi Shettima, GCON, the Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Godswill Akpabio, CON, the Speaker of the Federal House of Representatives, Honorable Tajudeen Abbas, and other members of the National Assembly here present, the Chief of Staff to Mr. President, Honorable Frederick Abdullah, CFR, the Chairman of the APC, Senator Abdullahi Adamu, and other members of the National Working Committee here present, my colleagues, brother governors here present, all former governors here present, the First Lady of Lagos State, Dr. Ibi Joke Samoni, the Deputy Governor of Lagos State, Dr. Obafemi Hamzat, and his amiable wife, Mrs. Oluremi Hamzat, the former Deputy Governors here present, the Speaker, Lagos State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Mudashiru Ajayi Obasa, and other members of the State Assembly here present. The Oba of Lagos, His Royal Majesty Oba Yowan Akiolu, and all the royal fathers here present. Distinguished invited guests, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I say, Eid Mubarak, Mr. President. Now, the Arabian speaks for itself. The Governors Forum, Nigerian Governors Forum, is truly excited that the presidency is occupied both at the presidential level. The president and the vice president are alumni of the Nigerian Governors Forum. This makes our work easy because you understand the challenges between the federal and state government, federal and subnationals. So now I have time to concentrate on fundamental human capital development, education, healthcare projects as we go along. This event is a serving to the city boy who designed the blueprint to set the ball rolling of the economic and growth of Lagos State. We commend the Lagos State government, Provider Sanwo-Olu in charge, for putting this event together. The Nigerian Governors Forum is committed to working with a known federalist who has used the instrumentality of the law several times to get things done the way it should be done in a federal system. So we're truly excited to be working with you in the coming years ahead. We'll also support Mr. President for the collective growth and development all over Nigeria. This Salah moment, the first of its kind that I know holding outside Abuja, we're using it to restate our support for your renewable agenda. Regardless of our party affiliation here, sir, the content that as the President work with the Nigerian Governors Forum and other critical stakeholders to build a stronger and united Nigeria. At this point, I wish Mr. President good health, long life, in the service of our fatherland. And sir, we have former governors with very good, strong experience at your disposal to do from the service. Now, one thing I'll say to you, a prayer I'll say to you, sir, is Alesa Mugamalabia. Amen. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Can I have a round of applause for all of them? Sheilo, I prophesy you will be one of them one day. You should have fallen down. If you fell down, thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. And now I'd like to invite to the microphone a man that turned Akpabio into a huge construction site. A man who empowered millions of Akpabionites. A man that he called the uncommon transformer. On his behalf, I'll say, Akpabio is someone. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Senator Chief Godswill Akpabio. Please do not stop clapping.
Please do not stop clapping for the Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The man, a lady once saw me and said, "Sheyi, there is no transformer in your area." I said, "Yes." So he said, "That means you have not met Senator Godswill Akpabio. He's the uncommon transformer. The man that goes around dashes transformers."
The most distinguished senator has asked me to invite his twin brother, the Right Honorable Speaker, Dr. Tajuddin Abbas, to please stand by his side.
With the permission of Mr. President, I'd like to also invite my brother, the Deputy Senate President, the Deputy Speaker, and other senators and members of the National Assembly that are here now.
Please, all the senators are invited, even LP senators.
President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, Federal Republic of Nigeria, distinguished Senator Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, and his dear wife, Her Excellency, Mother of the Nation, distinguished Senator Remy Ahmed Tinubu, CON, our dear brother, distinguished Senator Kashim Shettima, of course, GCON. Let me press on the existing protocol because of time. Mr. President, I just asked if the Right Honorable Speaker was going to say one, and I was told no because you have been working since morning. I think this is the third state that they are visiting since morning. And so I started to invite him to come to the stage. I want to congratulate you on this Mubarak and to say that Almighty Allah will continue to endue you with wisdom and grant you fortitude to continue to forgive those who have wronged this country whilst they are moving the country forward. Mr. President, on behalf of the National Assembly, my dear brother Tajudeen Abbas, and all of us here, I want to assure you of what you already know. Of the democratically elected presidents in Nigeria, I think you are the first president to get it right from the start. When our great party decided to zone the leadership of the National Assembly as both the Senate and the House of Representatives of various zones, they even went further to the zoning. Of course, you don't zone to a vacuum. And some people thought you were not going to pull it through. But because of your political sagacity and your experience and the master, you were able to pull it through for the first time. I want to tell you that your predecessors in office had it very wrong. They could not get it right. For the fact that you got the leadership of the National Assembly right, we are here across party lines to assure you that you end well. You end well. And Nigerians are proud of you, and the National Assembly is behind you 100%, and we will do everything possible, everything legislatively possible to ensure that you have a very smooth tenure, and at the end this country will never forget you. We are listening to speeches here from various people, including the chairman of the GSC in Lagos State, and all point to one thing, that you leave marks wherever you go to. We have no doubt, under 20 days, the stock market has risen. Under 20 days, you are being celebrated by world leaders. Under 20 days, the suffering of Nigerians through fuel scam, they used to call subsidy, has come to an end. What you are now thinking about is how to put palliatives for your people, so that Nigerians will get suffering they may go through at the moment of their ignorance. But I always like to say this, sir, that whenever a mother gives birth to a new child, it is always very painful. But when the child is given to the mother and the child smiles at the mother, the pain of childbirth is totally forgotten. No matter what we are going through today as Nigerians, we believe that the gains we are going to make from the current policies that we are putting in place will make Nigerians to smile and smile and smile. I will not stand here to stop speak politics on a day like this. It's a day of sacrifice. A day that God Almighty gave the word that he was going to get sacrificed and provide the ram. Our sisters will come here and pray for you that at the end, the sacrifices you are going to go through in this country, that God will provide the ram for you to give to all Nigerians and palliate. And I can assure you, just like you lay the framework for Lagos to be what it is today, I believe that you are not just going to lay the framework in Nigeria, you are going to change this country. Most of us that supported you saw this in you. And even though there was a vision, who and what are people contesting against you? There was a vision already by a Christian pastor that you were going to be president, and that my brother, His Excellency Kashim Shettima, was going to be the fight. And why were we wasting our time? And it was well. And the vision said you do 8 years. And we are here to stand and tell you, we support you for 8 years. Very successful, Mr. President. So we want to thank the governor of Lagos State for receiving you today. And plead that other governors will learn from what has happened here. The next time we have it should be another state that will receive you, not Lagos alone. You now belong to 36 states and the FCT. I don't want Lagos to continue to monopolize you. Your Excellency, I'm not against it. I'm very happy you did this. But I'm just saying, next time we want another state to go through on a day like this. But today, using Lagos, which is the center of excellence, center of prosperity, and which is the center of development, the center of infrastructure, the center of good governance, and the most accommodating city in the whole of Africa. I myself standing here was made by Lagos. I lived here for 19 years, and I had my tutelage here. There is nobody, including my brother, Aliko Dangote, that has been able to become something in this country that is not stand for Lagos. And you have continued to accommodate all. That's why I said your government will be the most accommodating government. From there, you see Labour Party, you see APC, you see all political parties across board. You are going to be supported by all Nigerians and all political parties. No single soul will be left out. The churches are behind you. They have assured me of that. I just came back from Thanksgiving. And the mosques are all behind you. Nigerians are behind you. Please ride on, Mr. President. Congratulations on this day. And thank you for what has happened. Happy, how do I call it? Barga del Sahara. Eight Mubarak, Mr. President. Eight Mubarak, Mr. President. And ride on your constituency, the National Assembly, is not only intact, but it's a major block that will make you very proud. Thank you, Mr. President. Yes, the right honourable speaker said I should also apologize to former honourable members and the civil senators who are not serving at the moment because the entire high table will be empty. The president would have had to come, and the wife would have had to come, even the vice president would have had to come. So, the right honourable speaker, in fact, the chief of staff would have called. So, we just wanted the high table to see look the way it is. So, that is why we had to make it. Mr. President, congratulations, and may Almighty Allah bless you, bless your family, and bless your nation, and by in turn bless this National Assembly that belongs to you and belongs to all Nigerians that work with you to ensure that we lift Nigeria to a higher level. Thank you and God bless you.
Please can we make the applause louder for the Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Thank you
very much. The church is right behind Mr. President. I was excited because when they were allowing guests in, I saw a pastor at the door. They told him to stop. And I asked him, I said, "You are a pastor, sir?" He said, "Yes." I said, "Sir, can you show me your prophecy for the election?" He said, "My brother, if God can forgive everybody, can't you forgive me?" I didn't say he predicted wrongly, but he has apologized to God.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the band has a special number for Mr. President.
Yeah, one time.